As a teacher, my goal with my students is always to get them excited about a topic. And when that happens, you want to capture what they're sharing with you and what they already know. And this is where explain everything in advance is so powerful to utilize in your classroom. Here, I've created a presentation with multiple slides. And as I'm going through this, we might come across this slide here where I'm asking students warm-up questions and they may start to get excited. So as I want to continue to build on that excitement with them, I want to capture what they're talking about, what questions they have, what they already know. And so I can actually utilize this page right here as an endless whiteboard. Zoom out and begin to capture that information. Students can come up here and share with me what they know by writing on the whiteboard, or they could also add some sticky notes up here as well, and we can capture what they know by typing on sticky notes and saving those here. And so the possibilities here are endless, but what's most important is that I'm capturing that moment, building on it, and really capitalizing on that learning at this particular time. And now it's being saved automatically, cloud-based, where we can go back and reflect on what they know, what they were curious about at any time during the school year. There's nothing more powerful than that. If you have any questions about Explain Everything Advanced, let me know. I'm happy to meet with you and discuss if this might be a great solution for your classroom.